Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life? Like the pressure is too heavy? Like the valley is too dark? Listen to this powerful promise from the Bible. Open book Psalms 23:1-4. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. The Lord is my shepherd. A shepherd guides his sheep. He protects them from danger. He provides when they cannot provide for themselves. This means God is guiding you, even when you cannot see the road ahead. Notice something powerful. The scripture says, I walk through the valley. Not I live in the valley. Not I stay in the valley. You are going through it. The valley is temporary. The struggle is temporary. But God's presence is permanent. He restores your soul. When anxiety attacks, he brings peace. When fear whispers, he speaks courage. When you feel weak, he becomes your strength. Even in the darkest valley, you do not walk alone. God is with you. So today, whatever battle you are fighting, trust the shepherd, because your valley is not your destiny. Your story is not over, and your God is still in control. Folded hands, stay faithful, stay strong. Reference Psalms 23:1-4.